How to remove background in PhotoRoom. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to remove the background from a photo, then PhotoRoom can automatically detect the main subject and remove the original background in just a few steps. Firstly, open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Now from the home screen, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Start from a photo. Choose a photo from your camera roll that you want to remove the background from. And after you do that, within a few seconds, your background in the image will be deleted or removed. You can also choose a new background if you don't want your background to be a transparent one. You can go ahead and select from the suggested edit option. Choose the background you want for your photo, and that's how you get a new background in the photo. Now you can save the photo by tapping Save at the bottom of the screen, and the photo will be saved in your device's camera roll. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.